But nugget collecting time. Okay, let's see if these girls laid any. Sometimes they give me eggs, sometimes they don't. They're not the best layers anyway. Except these leghorns when they start to lay. These are some leghorn mixes. You can see her comb start to fall over. But hopefully they will lay soon. Look at my Polish girl. Hi. Okay, I do see some eggs in here. Okay, we got 3. Oh my gosh. Okay, all right. Tomorrow, I'm going to make it my to-do list to literally put wood chips in here. I had a cold, so I wasn't able to do it yesterday when I wanted to. So I might sound a little stuffy. One girl ended up escaping when I came in here, so we'll let the other ones out. Okay, so we had 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And I might have forgotten to collect yesterday. That's okay, because I broke that birdie hen, so she's not birdie anymore.